I'm a makeup artist. Here's my card. Gina Victoria, beauty expert and educator. I am back and welcome back to my channel where I teach babes on how to become a boss in the fashion and beauty industry. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you. I would love to add you to my family of other beauty bosses, so make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. In today's video, I am going to be sharing steps on how to become a professional makeup artist in 2021. I have been a professional makeup artist and a licensed esthetician for 12 years. At the Pretty Boy Makeup Lounge, I offered an apprenticeship program to give new and aspiring makeup artists the opportunity to launch their freelance career. In this video, we're just going to be going over the steps that I've shared with my students who have successfully launched their makeup artistry career. If you are ready to jumpstart your career as a professional makeup artist, keep watching. Okay, so step number one is to practice. You want to practice on yourself first. The benefit of practicing on yourself first is being able to play and makeup. Yes, as a professional, play and makeup. At this stage, it's a lot of trial and error. This is the time where you really want to get your hands on different products like creams, powders, liquid. You want to see what products you prefer best to work with. Do you like gel eyeliner, liquid eyeliners, or just the eyeliner pencil? This is your time for you to explore. This is the time to also work on different techniques like blending, matching foundation, highlight, contour. All of that you can start by practicing on yourself and just being comfortable and building confidence just starting off. Okay, so you can only practice on yourself for so long, so the next step is to practice on others. One of the reasons why I always tell people to go ahead and start practicing on others, because the way you hold the brush, when you're so used to holding the brush towards the direction of your face, when you apply makeup to others, you are actually applying it opposite, and it does take a while for you to get used to what feels comfortable when it comes to holding brushes and pencils. Another reason why you want to start practicing on others is to get comfortable with being in someone else's space, like the client interaction. There'll be times where you have to tell your client to look down for me, look up, smile. You just want to get comfortable with interacting with clients. When I first started out, I had my whole palm on my mom's head and I pushed her head back and she said, "Okay, Gina, you're being a little bit too rough." So that way you can get feedback from people that you are comfortable with. Another benefit of working on other people is because it gives you the hands-on experience of working with different type of skin tones, skin types, and skin textures. Sometimes you'll come across a foundation with a really beautiful finish, but you may come across someone with like maybe large pores, blemished skin, or very textured skin, and that foundation and then the texture of the skin does not match well, and you really have to figure out, okay, should I buff the foundation in, should I blend the foundation in, or is it the primer that I'm using underneath? So this gives you the opportunity to really do trial and error before you start to take real actual live clients. So working on other people also gives you the opportunity to take pictures. So after taking pictures, be open and honest with yourself. I like to take pictures of my clients, then look at my phone and say, maybe I could have blended out her eyeshadow a little bit more. I made the eyeliner too thick, one of the brows is too large, and it just gives me the opportunity to be open with myself on what I can improve on. And then the best photos I like to save for my portfolio. Critique your work without being too harsh on yourself. This will also let you know where you need to strengthen your artistry skills. Okay, so next is determine your artistry type. So this will help you market to your target audience. What type of makeup artist are you wanting to be? What will your style reflect? Will you be a bridal makeup artist? Someone that's into fashion shows, editorial, commercial work, special effects? Will you consider yourself a luxury makeup artist? This will really help you when it comes to marketing to the correct audience. Second reason why determining your artistry type, it actually helps you to build your kit. When I first started out becoming a makeup artist, I bought everything. Glitters, creams, just everything that I did not need. So case in point, if you want to be a bridal makeup artist, then you should maybe focus on getting a lot of soft and neutral tones. Someone that wants to maybe predominantly do like dance and weightlifting competition, that's considered stage makeup. So then you will get the bolder makeup, the bright colors, the glitters, bronzers, because they do a lot of spray tanning. Determining your artistry type also gives you the direction of where you want to go in your artistry career and who to network with. So if you want to do commercial work, well, maybe you will connect with an agency. If you wanted to be a bridal makeup artist, then you will connect with bridal vendors. Or if you wanted to get into special effects, well, maybe move to a region where they are actually filming movies. Step number 3 is to create your brand. Pick a name that describes your type of artistry. This is where you will be establishing yourself as a professional. Heavy on the professional. So I created the Pretty Bar because I knew that one day I wanted to have an establishment with the team where we do services underneath the roof that makes everyone pretty. So that is where the Pretty Bar came up. Eventually I ended up branding myself separately as Gina Victoria Beauty Bridal Business. That actually identified who I was and the services I offered. I offer beauty services, bridal services, and business services. Next, which I love this, design a logo. So you want to select a logo that's going to stand out for your beauty brand, because this is what's going to help you be identified amongst a lot of makeup artists. The logo does not have to be expensive. You can go to places like Fiverr or Etsy to get a very affordable logo. And I'm going to be doing a separate video later on discussing about creating your brand and marketing. So after you get your logo, you want to order you business cards. Yes, in 2021, people, i.e. me, still use business cards. Now, my mom been keeping this for me. My first business card, it says artistic beauty. Oh yes, that's before I knew how to contour. True beauty come from within while maintaining healthy skin. Flashback. So your business card should include your business name, your name, if you have a website, or your booking contact information like your email address and or a phone number. Okay, so let's get to the fun part, which is booking. What you want to do is write down your menu of services. All the services that you will be offering to your clients. You should include the name of the service. So if it's a full makeup application, a glam makeup application, an in-studio bridal, or on-site bridal, a photo shoot, that is what you need to reflect. You don't have to name them generic names. If you want to create names for your services that's relative to your brand, by all means do so. I'm going to just give you this example. We have 2 main services at the Pretty Bar. We have our basic makeup application, which is called the Pretty Beautiful, and then our upgraded services are Pretty Glam. You see how I use pretty to kind of wordplay and just kind of jazz up our menu of services just a little bit. So include with the services the description of what is being offered, and this will help eliminate communication. So if it comes with lashes, in parentheses maybe you want to say includes full foundation coverage, eyeshadow, contour, blush, lips, and lashes. This will help to eliminate a lot of correspondence back and forth saying, well, what does this come with? You also want to include the duration of the makeup application, so that way your clients can schedule accordingly. People are getting their makeup done to go to events. Sometimes you find someone that wants to get their hair done, their makeup done, and then their nails, and so that way they can schedule accordingly and won't miss any of their prior appointments. And do not forget the price. Now if you're a luxury brand, a lot of times luxury brands do not want to list the price, but that is up to you. For me, our prices are listed because it just eliminates additional correspondence. That's less work for me. Okay, so the next thing under booking is determining your method of accepting appointments. How will clients book their appointment? Is it going to be via email? Is it going to be a direct message on your social media? Or are you going to do scheduling apps? I love a good scheduling app because it's so convenient for the artist and then the client as well. They have a link. They click on the link. There's a menu of services. There's the calendar. If you want to secure maybe a credit card, so that way if there's no calls, no shows, you can go ahead and just charge it. So determine how would a client book an appointment with you. Next, which is step number 5, is marketing. You want to create an online portfolio using social media pages and or a website. I highly recommend you starting out with social media pages first. I will recommend Facebook and Instagram to start out with, and then later as your clientele grows, you can really look into getting a website. So now make sure these are your professional pages only. If you are one that likes to post your husband, your children, you on the treadmill, Starbucks and things like that, totally fine. Make sure you go ahead and create you a business page for your business. On this page, you want to post pictures of your work. You can post pictures of makeup products that you recommend and then also tips. But those two, do not try to post too many of those because clients came to see your work and to determine, do I want to book this individual or not? After a while, they get tired of shuffling through posts. I'm going to use this as an example. When I had my grand opening, I was looking for vendors. If I had to shuffle through your work to determine if I wanted some chocolate covered Oreos for my candy bar table, guess what? I was going to go on to the next because, I don't know, it's just too much to look through. So just keep that in mind. In your bio, you want to link your contact information. And your information should have how they can contact you. So is it by way of email, a business line, your scheduling app, and an email address for any questions. And lastly, step number 6 is you want to promote. I just had someone to ask me a question. Gina, I have a studio, I have a chair, I have lighting, I have makeup, but I have no clients. And I said, darling, you have to promote. Do they know you are open for business? Do they know that your chair is open? You have to let the public know that you are ready and you are available for the service, and then share the booking link. If you don't promote, like, how would they know? One of the tips and tricks that I like to do, I like to keep my face beat. It's a conversation starter. Or sometimes, like, I'll have like a bold lip or maybe flawless skin, big lashes, or something that'll get people's attention. So when I'm out in public, they'll say like, your makeup is really pretty, or I love that lipstick, and I'll just be like, oh, I'm a makeup artist, here's my card. Someone will say, hey, you know, my sister's getting married in May, and I'm like, hey, I'm a makeup artist, here's my card. Business cards are not antiquated, they're not outdated. You can still use business cards. So do not forget to promote on your social media pages, word of mouth, through your friends, and on your face. So that's it. Those are my 6 steps on how to become a makeup artist in 2021. If you enjoyed what you saw in today's video, make sure you like, comment, and share. I will be posting videos every week, so do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss out. Thank you all for stopping by my channel, and thank you for watching. I will see you all later. Bye bye.